Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on how to use ToolJet widgets. Today we'll quickly learn about the properties and styling of the number input widget. You can also access the link to the documentation for this widget in the description below. Let's start with dropping the number input from the widget inventory. Now quickly dive into its properties by inspecting the widget. Default value. This is the default string type value that the widget will hold when the app is initially loaded. We'll use the default data present, which is 99. Minimum value. It specifies the minimum numerical value that the widget can hold up to. Let's enter 97. If we try to decrease the value using the steppers available, it won't go below 97 since we are setting a limit to it. Maximum value. Similarly, it specifies the maximum numerical value the widget can hold. Let's enter 102. If we try to increase the value, it won't go beyond 102. Currently, the number input widget holds an upper and lower limit to enter the data. Placeholder. It specifies a hint text that describes the expected value. Let's add the following. Now, this will count as the placeholder. To be able to view this text, we need to clear the default value property. You can also check the value entered in the widget from the inspector panel on the left. It'll be available in the inspector, components, component name, and then the value associated with the field. Tooltip. Under the general accordion, you can set the value of a tooltip. Let's try it out by entering any value. Now when we hover on the widget, we find the tooltip with the assigned value. Layout. Toggle on or off to display the widget in desktop and mobile view. You can programmatically determine the value by clicking on FX to set a Boolean value. Now let's explore the styling of the number input widget. Click on the Styles tab to access the following options. Visibility. Toggle on or off to control the visibility of the widget. Disable. Toggle to lock the widget. If toggled on, we won't be able to select any value. You can programmatically change both options by clicking on the FX button. Border radius. Change the border radius for the widget. I am providing it with a value of 12. Our final number input widget will finally look like this. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching. We'll appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe to our channel for upcoming updates.